In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Payoneer account. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step of the login process, ensuring you gain access to your account swiftly and securely. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is up and running, head to the search bar and type in Payoneer. You should see Payoneer's official website appear as one of the top search results. Click on this link to navigate to the Payoneer homepage, which is where all the login action takes place. Now that you're on the Payoneer website, your next step is straightforward. Look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on this button. This will take you to a new page where you'll need to enter your account credentials. Be sure to enter your email address and password accurately to avoid any hiccups in the process. If you're not quite sure about your password, or if it's been a while since your last login, consider using a password manager to retrieve and input it for you. After entering your login details, you may encounter an additional layer of security, which is becoming quite common these days. Payoneer, like many other platforms, employs various security measures to protect your account from unauthorized access. You might be prompted to engage in a two-step verification process. This could involve confirming your security answer or entering a one-time code that Payoneer will send to your registered phone number. If you receive a code on your phone, ensure that you're entering it correctly. Keep in mind that these codes often have a time limit, so it's a good idea to enter it promptly to avoid any issues. If you've set up security questions, make sure you're answering correctly by recalling the details you provided at the time of setup. This process is crucial, as it safeguards your sensitive information and prevents unauthorized users from accessing your account. Once you've successfully navigated any security checks, congratulations! You'll find yourself on the Payoneer dashboard, logged in and ready to manage your finances. Here, you can check your account balance, view transaction histories, and access other important features offered by Payoneer. Logging into your Payoneer account doesn't have to be a complicated task. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and secure login experience every time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy banking.